Available in a lot of countries. So if you're watching this and the first 3 here aren't available in your country for whatever reason, you could always use KuCoin, and I know that it works where I am, which is in Canada. It also works in the US. A lot of these top ones work in the US as well, but for me, I had to use KuCoin. So you would basically come here, click it, and go over to their website. You can check under finance. Let's see here, derivatives. Here you got futures. So this is what we're looking for. You also have leverage tokens, which is increased leverage without the risk of liquidation. Liquidation is when you have to automatically sell your position to compensate for either the loss of the trade. Because you've borrowed money, you'll need to pay back. They'll need to cover their loss. So if the position goes down too low, they end up liquefying your position to cover their loss for letting you borrow their money. So there's a couple ways you can do it. You can do it through USD, or you can actually do leverage trading with the coin itself. So if you have a lot of Ethereum or you have a lot of Bitcoin, you can use that as collateral to fund your positions. Most people trade in USDT or USDC. That's how I'll be showing you how to trade in this course. Of course, I'll go over the coins as well. But most people trade with the USD. It's a lot easier to quantify your earnings, and kind of mitigate your risk, and coordinate with certain levels in the trade. For example, certain support levels in the trade, highs and lows are a lot more easier to quantify when you have an actual number instead of just like 0.5 Ethereum. It's a little harder to realize how much that is at a certain time. But yeah, you would go back here, and you can check out FTX, and you can sign up on there as well and find out which platform is best for you. There's tutorials on YouTube on how to use all these different platforms, but as you can see, registration from Ontario is not available. So that's why I'm unable to use them. But in your country, if it's available, I recommend them. They seem to have great liquidity. They have a lot of different trading pairs here. So they got 3x. They also have, they got a maximum of 3x for leverage tokens, which I think are liquidation free. They won't liquefy you, but they only allow you to trade with a small amount, which is only 3x. But I think if we click over here on futures, you'll be able to see the trading pairs, perpetual futures, December, spot trading. Here we go. And of course, you'll need to sign up on the platform to really get into the leverage trading, 25x, 10x. So that's how you check out FTX there. There's also Kraken, which is a great platform. Kraken's great. They also have some really good yield farming on their platform. So if you decide to go with Kraken, you would come here, click sign in, or create an account, sign up with them, and then basically click here for futures. But this is where you'll go for the leverage trading. Multi-collateral, so you can do coins like USDT, like I said, USDC, and also you could trade with coins as collateral, so you can use your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. I really like Kraken. They're a great exchange. They have a lot of different tools once you log in. So I recommend them as an exchange. I haven't used their futures platform yet, but if it's available in your country, I recommend them as a good place to get started for leverage trading. There's a couple others. Let's see here. Then we got KuCoin, which is what we'll be using for this tutorial. Of course, you got Binance, Gate, Huobi, and so on. So, research. A lot of different exchanges offer different tools. Like, for example, I know, I think it's Bybit. They offer really nice leverage trading. They have 50x, even possibly 100x. They have a really good leverage trading platform. They should be available in most